How to make a Python call. So yeah, let's get right into it. Make a conversation in Python. So let's make it. So basically, I'm going to be explaining all the things after each line. So let's get right into it. So basically, what you want to do is, you want to type name equals input brackets, and then you want to put 2 speech marks, and then you want to type what is your name. That's what the bot is going to say, Michelle. So yeah, we need to do a space so we can see, so we can type inside of it. The input means that we can type inside of it, and then and the name equals, it means it's a variable and we can use it multiple times. And we'll need to use that variable to do this other thing so it can respond back. If we type print brackets 2 speech marks, then we type hello, and then we can do name, and then I forgot to do the comma. Then if we type run what is your name, we can type Modmaster, and then ta-da, hello Modmaster, that's me. If you want to do what's my favorite color, your favorite color, we do color equals input. Input, and then we type quotes and brackets, and then we put 2 speech marks, and then we say what is your favorite color, and then we do a space like we said. It makes us able to type, and we use that variable to do print brackets, and then we do 2 of those, and then we type my favorite color is also, and then we do a comma, and then we do a color. So let's run it. What is your name? Modmaster. Hello Modmaster, what is your favorite color? Green. And then he also says, my favorite color is also green. I've got a little quiz for you. This is not really, doesn't look like input, it's impt. So we need to put a U here so it actually works. And you also need to add some speech marks. And also you need a space so we can type inside of it. And also, the variable is not the same in here. You can't have 2 words in a variable. So yeah, so we need to put a thing here. So yeah, and also we need to add a comma. And then let's see if it works. What ice cream do you like? I like vanilla. And yes, I almost forgot, print is meant to be print. Now let's try it again. Vanilla. I also like vanilla. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this tutorial on Python, and see you next time. Goodbye.